Good morning, guys. So, my name is Craig. And today I'm gonna show you how to be from a noob to a pro at Roblox. So let's get started. Let's do the month, the pro, maybe 177. You can write you can write like SSS P S. No, you can write like I. Oh yeah, you can write oh yeah, right. You can write like this, and the password you can just do like this. I don't actually need to write it. Just gonna like this. I'm just to figure it out. Actually, it's very hard and long. Wait, like this. Okay, let's do the same thing. Like finally. Now I'm actually a boy. Let's click on the racy. Let's just line up. And yeah. So yeah. Now when you're in Roblox, all you need to do is open the catalog. At catalog, everything is by Roblox. We don't need things that are by Roblox. We need free things. Okay, let's start. This is all of the items. Let's go down. Click here, free. Now we don't want any of the stuff. Click here, clothing. Click pants. Now go down again. Click free. And go up. Those are the free pants. You can get any one. I like this one. Let's click it. Let's get this. Item purchased. Let's go back. And now when you're back, all you need to do is like find like a t-shirt or something, I don't know. Let's see free stuff. And now you can get this one. I like it. Wow, it looks cool. We'll get this one. Okay, cool. So let's go back. Let's get the Jad necklace or something. Accessories. Face, not neck. And let's go down again. Click free. Go up. Let's get this one. It's actually free. Item purchased. Let's go back. And then let's go to the avatar. Actually, there's no more things. Look, from this guy, you're gonna change it to a guy that is fire. Click this, and then this, and then this. That's it. And now you just want to close this one. Now open the body bar, skin tone. Go down. We don't want to click advance. And then you don't click left with the head. Let's make it like this. And let's make the left arm blue, right arm red. Or if you want to see it, now the left arm is blue and right arm, left leg is red and this one is blue. Cool. Let's close this. And now that's how we look. Now all you want to do is change from packages into our Roblox boy. You just need to change to our Roblox boy, reason all. When you're back here, that's how you look. By the way, you can just get this one or this. Yeah. Get. Or if you don't like to be a Roblox boy, you just be like this. If you don't like a Roblox boy, just be like this if you want to. I just like Roblox boys. Wait. Come on. Yeah. You can just be like, wait. You can just be like this if you want to. Take a little bit flat. You can be like this if you want to be. But I don't. I just like this. I don't like it's actually better. Yeah, look. But I'm not one of these guys. I just like being a Roblox boy. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. That's how you look. Take a 3D look. Now this is how you look. Fire. This is. So we're gonna test ourselves out when we're playing. We're gonna be testing ourselves. Let's start testing. So that's how you look. So let's turn it back on like this. So let's go back to games and let's see if we can. Let's see how do we look in a game. Let's open the YouTuber Tycoon. Or no. Let's open like the man. No. Oh my god, dude. Those games are just gonna change your avatar. So we just need like. Wait, what? What is this? Let's go back. So, oh my god, what the hell is this? I don't want it. Wait. Yes, sorry. So let's go back to a game. Let's open McDonald's Tycoon. Let's play it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. But we're still gonna do some. So wait. I'm not gonna download Roblox. I already have. What is this? Okay, it's opening. Okay. So yeah, let's start with the John Doe. Oh my god! There's no way. Who is that? That's John Doe. Oh my god! This cannot be him. The hell is this? No! I swear! What the hell? No. I'm getting away from this. I'm getting away from this guy. Wait, can I even jump? Oh, I did. Hey dude, nice house, though. If you know me. Hi. Let's leave. By the way guys, that's how you look. And this game just have John Doe in it. Can I choose that again? Wow. How's this, bro? I can't believe this is him. Wow. Wow, look at this guy. He completed the whole tycoon. Wow, I need to see this. Wow. So that's how we look with the jam necklace and the other stuff. Wow. What? Did he just write his real name? Yeah, I think so. Wait. So let's just go back. So that's how I look. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.